This is a short descriptive video for a, let's just call it a Solari Udine flip clock. It's not labelled as such, but we flip clock connoisseurs, we know that this is a Solari clock. It's just rebranded. This particular clock was rebranded under many different names. I've seen Bauknecht, which is a German brand. I've seen obviously this one, Rowenta, which is also a German brand. I've seen Flash. I don't really know the brand. I've seen some flip clocks made or branded by Flash. I think they were the latter one were mostly rebranded clocks. The funny thing is, even though it's a Solari clock, it actually has a German motor on the inside. Even the Solari clocks have a German motor on the inside. I don't know why that is. Probably because the quality is better than the one they had at their disposal. This clock is in a really good condition. It has some, if you look at it under a microscope, you might see some yellowing. Very faint. Not enough for me to try and remove that. There's the potential that you might create other spots which are whiter than the original, etc, etc. A bit of a complicated thing to explain, but I've tried it before in the past when there's really minor yellowing, and it's just I would stay away from it. I wouldn't touch it. As I said, under normal light and daylight, whatever light, you wouldn't really see it unless you know it's there. The clock is in a really good condition. It's complete. It is working. Obviously, I lubricated on the inside. I replaced the light. I replaced the cable. I replaced the plug. I polished it, and let me see. Set the alarm so you can hear it. There, you turn it off so it can buzz again the next day. If you want to completely shut it off, there's a micro switch at the back, and there it's off. This one is laid out for 220 volts, 50 hertz, 24 hours. There is a version for the US, 12 hours, 110 volts, but that is quite rare. I've never been able to purchase one of these, and so that's it. Any questions, let me know. The clock is obviously for sale in my Etsy shop, and thank you for watching.